Good morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Enjoyed the outstanding weather that we had and was able to get out and do some things that they've been just hopelessly wanting to do for quite some time. It's been kind of a long, cold winter, so hopefully we got a chance to take advantage of the great weather we had this weekend. Last week, our Monday mission was to helping others achieve their best. And one of the easiest things to do is to sometimes get focused on our own action, our own focus, and our own goals, and we sometimes forget to lend out a helping hand or to be that support system for other people as they try to do the things that they need to do as well to be successful. So reach out, help out other people, especially when somebody's trying to go for a goal. Be a support. Whether it's just your words or your actions. Be that person that's going to help uplift and make that person better. Congratulations to last week's Students of the Week. We had Levi Sickles, Dawson Colby, and Brody Mitchell. Congratulations to those students, and looking forward to a new crop of Students of the Week this week. This week's Monday mission is using your words wisely. Most people don't realize that our words have an effect on other people. So our words can either be positive or negative in their impact on others. So be those people that use your words to make a positive impact and let your positivity spread like confetti. Because it's just going to be, if your words or your actions are positive towards others, it's just going to make that person want to do the same towards other people, and pretty soon we're just paying it forward, and it's just spreading around like crazy. So just try to make your words positive towards other people. Some things you can do to use your words wisely is to greet people when you see them. Say good morning, how are you, hello, how was your weekend, those type of things. Start the conversation in a positive way, and it's amazing how the rest of the conversation is going to maintain that same way. Other things you can do is think before you say things. Are your words kind or are they hurtful? Do you want to be an uplifting person, or you want to be somebody who's going to be a downer towards other people? And more importantly, how would those words that I say feel if those words were said to me? It's often easy just to spout off and say something towards another person, but when you don't realize what the impact of those words are, until you sit down and you think about how would I feel if it was me in that situation, is the time where you're going to have the most impact on your own words. So take a second every time. Take time to think about what you're going to say before you say it, because most people really don't. You don't realize what your words are and their impact until they're over with. And people use the cop-out excuse that I was kidding. Well, think, because sometimes it's not a joke towards other people. And then also say something positive towards other people. You want to be that person that's going to be uplifting and be kind and caring towards others. And it's like I said earlier, it's amazing how either the rest of the conversation or how the rest of that person's day is going to go when you say something positive. So find something good to say to other people. Be that person that's going to be uplifting. This week, it's March, I guess. So this March is Trojan Way focus is going to be no negative. Our Trojan Way Tuesday will be an introduction to no negative. There will be a poster that will be shared in order to drive the instruction. So it's really, really important that we look at that poster, and we take time to discuss what's going on in the poster and how that's going to impact our week and how it's going to impact us to use our words wisely. One other thing to maybe be talking about is we're getting towards the end of the school year, and it's going to be really important that we realize that where we're supposed to be during certain points of the day is where we're supposed to be. And it's not just time to go adventure out. The places that you're supposed to be at 10 o'clock in the morning is the same place you're supposed to be at 10 o'clock in the morning every other day of the week and every other time during the year. So make sure you get to where you need to be, and that you spend the time getting the most out of your day by being where you need to be. Teachers help those students be accountable and be where they need to be, and be where you need to be as well. So hope everybody has a great week, and we spread the power of positivity like confetti. Have a great week, and go Trojans.